Welcome back to RunmanReCords design. Today we show you smart, small front yard landscaping ideas. Transforming a small front yard into a welcoming and visually appealing space can be a rewarding endeavor for homeowners looking to enhance their properties' curb appeal. In this video, we will explore a range of innovative landscaping ideas tailored specifically for small front yards. From design principles and plant selection tips to creative hardscaping solutions and sustainable practices. Discover how to make the most of limited outdoor space to create a beautiful and functional landscape that leaves a lasting impression. Design principles for small front yards. Utilizing scale and proportion effectively. In a small front yard, scale and proportion play a crucial role in creating a visually appealing space. Opt for plants and features that are proportionate to the size of your yard to maintain a sense of balance. Creating visual interest with focal points. Focal points draw the eye and add interest to your landscaping. In a small front yard, a well-placed focal point, like a unique plant, sculpture, or eye-catching feature, can elevate the overall design. Harmonizing colors and textures in a limited space. Limited space calls for a thoughtful approach to color and texture. Choose a cohesive color palette and mix different textures to add depth and visual interest without overwhelming the small area. Plant selection and layout tips. Choosing plants suitable for small front yards. Selecting the right plants is essential for a successful small front yard landscape. Opt for compact varieties, vertical plants, and low maintenance options to maximize space and minimize upkeep. Implementing layered planting for depth. Layered planting adds dimension to a small front yard by creating visual interest at different heights. Consider using a mix of ground covers, mid-sized shrubs, and taller plants to create a dynamic and lush landscape. Arranging plants to optimize space and visual impact. Strategic plant arrangement can make a small front yard feel larger and more inviting. Group plants in clusters. Use vertical elements like trellises and leave open spaces to create a harmonious layout that maximize both space and visual impact. Creative hardscaping solutions. Incorporating paths and walkways. Paths and walkways not only serve a practical purpose of guiding visitors to your front door, but also add structure and visual interest to your small front yard. Choose materials that complement your landscaping style and create a welcoming entrance. Adding functional elements like seating areas or water features. Make the most of your small front yard by incorporating functional elements like seating areas or water features. A cozy bench, a small fountain, or a compact sitting nook can transform your outdoor space into a relaxing retreat that enhances both aesthetics and usability. Friends, thank you very much for watching. I hope these front yard landscape design ideas will be very useful for you. You watched the channel about garden design, RunmanReCords, design